Experiencing Optus roaming issues while traveling? You're not alone. Many users face connectivity problems, but most can be resolved with a few simple steps. First, ensure roaming is enabled in the My Optus app. Grant the app necessary permissions like location and network access. If that doesn't work, check your SIM is unlocked for international use and confirm your destination is within Optus's roaming partner network. These are crucial for ensuring your device connects properly to foreign networks. Remember, Optus's Auto Roam feature in the My Optus app can automatically configure these settings, potentially fixing the issue instantly. If you are still having issues after this, move on to the next section. If basic steps didn't work, let's explore advanced fixes. The access point name acts as a gateway for data roaming. For Optus, the standard APN is Yes Internet. Check your device settings under Mobile Data and APN to ensure these are correct. For MMS messaging, the MMSC should be set to HTTP post//msc.optus.com.au2 and MMS proxy to 22.139.83.152A7U. These settings ensure proper multimedia messaging while roaming. If problems persist, try manual carrier selection. Navigate to Settings, then Network and Internet, Mobile Network, Advanced, and Network Operators. Search for and select a preferred provider, ideally an Optus partner like Vodafone in the UK or Verizon in the US. Keep in mind that signal strength and dBm levels matters when selecting carriers. Choose networks with strong signals and avoid non-partner networks to avoid high roaming charges. In many cases, these advanced fixes should resolve your roaming issues. If they do not, contacting Optus support is recommended for further help.